Hey everyone! Welcome to AbiOnlineTeach. In today's video, we're going to be going through the sound, spelt with the letters U and R. So in today's class, we're going to be going through 4 different words with this spelling of the sound. So let's get started. The first word is surf. Surf. In the summer, I love to surf. So to sound out this word, I would say s, f, s, f, surf. The second word is hurt. Hurt. The little boy hurt himself. Hurt. So to sound out this word, I would say t, hurt. The third word is church. Church. They got married in a church. So to sound out this word, I would say ch, 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 church. And the fourth word is burger. Burger. I love a beef burger. So to sound out this word, I would say b, g, b, g, burger. And you may have noticed there are 2 spellings of the sound. B, g, burger. And that has made me very hungry. Good job I have some beef burgers. Okay, so those were all of the words with this spelling of the sound. But remember, there are some other sounds, so you can check out these videos down below in the description. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!